Welcome back, everyone. We are making a cocktail today that made my cameraman laugh out loud. This is the Peach Fuzz Buzz. We're going to start off with 0.75 ounces of peach syrup.
I thought you were going to say peach fuzz.
0.75 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice. Get out of there. Okay. Half an ounce of Campari. Ooh. Couple heavy-handed there. And then 2 ounces of Tequila Blanco. And then, even though he laughed at me last time, we're going to make sure we do this correctly. You're going to do a pinch of salt.
Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Okay.
Oh my God.
Technically, that was a crack of salt.
We're going to add ice. Woo.
Whoa.
Anywho, we're going to add ice, and then we are going to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hand. Stop eating stuff. Sorry, doggo. All right. We are going to, whoa. We're going to get a BFC and put that in our rocks glass. And then we don't have to double strain this. I will say, if you don't like little ice chunks, go ahead and double strain. But you don't have to with this one because we're serving it over an ice cube anyway. Excuse you. How improper. And then for our garnish, I've got a lime peel, technically, that I've twisted. And then we're just going to set that guy. I think I called her a girl last time. Whatever you are, on the rim. And there we have our Peach Fuzz Buzz.
Oh, boy.
It's really hard to say that with a straight face. Anyway, I'm going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm then going to rate the cocktail. 1 being I would have 1 of these and move on. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. So, where are we today? Well, it smells very limey, but obviously that is from my garnish. So, inconclusive. Okay. So you do taste the peach, but the Campari is very much in your face. So again, this is one of those cocktails, you don't like Campari, you don't like those bitter aperitifs, this is not going to be the cocktail for you. It is a delicious cocktail. Again, I'm just not a bitter forward type of person when it comes to my cocktails. So sadly for me,
you specified that.
Shut up. So for me, I'm going to give this one a 1 out of 5. But again, why are you making that face?
There's no face. They don't know that.
That was a face. He made a face, people. Again, I do think it is a very good cocktail. I just know that me personally, I would only have 1 and I would move on to something else. Like I said, that's just a me preference. You can be totally different. Clearly my cameraman is.
I don't even like bitter stuff.
You married me.
Oh. I stand corrected.
Boom, roasted.
Yes, dear.
Anyway, for me, this is going to be a 1 out of 5. Again, I do recommend giving this a try, especially if you do like that bitter flavor. Give this one a try. It'll be right up your alley, and I think you'll really, really enjoy this cocktail. So, ingredients are listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right at home. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are with this cocktail, and I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.